This is the anthem. Every Kata youth in this. If you're going to make money last year, this year you have to make money. We do not believe in handouts and work we are work. So every working Kata youth in this, can I see you work anything? Work anything in the Alex. It's the person in National Exhibition. Let's go like preaching. Boom. For the one you live. So me say this I wanna get your uncle. And the one you're reaching out behind. Get your children's life. We need the money we not borrow, we not live. Better use this operation as the girl. This I do. Get your uncle. And the one you're reaching out behind. Get your children. We need it. I want the African to you dollars. So me say free like the garden. Free like the garden. Me love for the garden.
Chakumira, Satirirwa.